Hi, boys and girls. It's time to sit and listen to our story for next week. Next week, we're going to be doing bears. So we are reading Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Though cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've bought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. All this happening and Bear is just sleeping through it all. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. A lair is like the cave he's sleeping in. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. What's gonna happen? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. Ooh, he is not a happy bear when he wakes up. Are you happy when you wake up? I'm kind of still tired when I wake up. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping in. I've had none. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Now all the friends are sleeping. The end. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this story. I look forward to next time. Bye.